Ito nag-snowfall after ng pagsamba. And this is the first time na ma-experience ko to. Na ako ay nagbi-video kasi noon wala akong pakialam kasi wala pa tayong wheels noon. Nasaan na yung aming sasakyan? Ito ba? Ayun, may tatak na navy. Ang ganda. Oh, diba? Meron na. Snowfall is close. Yan, actual na. Ayan, napuno ako ng snow. Yeah. Ang liwanag. It's cold na. Bye. Thank you for watching again.
Is that live?
Follow for more. It's my baby boy. He's not a
Baby
baby.
boy.
He's a big boy. Love you, Nak.